Hi everyone, welcome back to JJ Coders. In today's video, let's see the structure of C program. Here, I have opened the VS Code to write a simple C program. If you have missed our video on installing GCC compiler and VS Code, please check our channel. Let me create a hello.c file here. The first part of the C program is called Preprocessor Directives. This usually start with the symbol £. We usually call it as hash symbol. We usually include libraries and header files in this section. Here I am adding a standard IO header file using a hash include directive. The next part of the program is called global declaration area. Here we can declare a variable or a function which can be used all over the program. Let me create a simple global variable version here. I am just assigning a value 1 to it. The next and main part of the program is main function. This is the starting point while running the program. From here only all other functions and variable are called. The first part of the main function is called the local declaration area. All the local variables to be used within the main function are created here. Let me create a simple integer variable a and I'm assigning a value 5 to it. Next, the body of the main program begins. Here only we will write all our major logics and all other logics will be called from here. I am adding a printf function here. It is a predefined function which is present inside stdio.h. Within the function bracket of printf, you can write some text with double quote that can be printed on the output of the program. We will see about the /n later. Next, the end of the main function will have a return keyword. It's usually return 0. This indicates the completion of the function. I'm saving this program using Ctrl S. Let's compile and run the program now. Press Ctrl J to open the terminal window. We are going to use GNU C compiler to compile the program. In the terminal, type GCC space your program name, then hit enter. The compiler will generate a.out or .exe file based on your platform. In my case, it's a.out. Type ./a.out or your program name .exe and then hit enter to run the program. You can see the output in your terminal window. Next, I'm going to create a user-defined function. You should always create a user-defined function before the main function, or else the main function can't find it. The compiler will throw an error. Inside this new function, I'm going to create another printf to display welcome to JJ Coders. We will see more about user-defined function in our upcoming videos. The user-defined function won't be executed unless we call it from the main function. To call the function, type its name inside the body of main function. Now let's recompile and run the program. Again use GCC to compile your program, then ./a.out to run your program. In case of Windows, type program name .exe to run the program. You can see the updated output in the console window. So far, what we saw is the basic structure of C programming. In our next video, let's see what is variable and how it is used in programming. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.